NGTK protecting. And Chambugong Mahari win men's title. Mangnang Mahari lift women's crown as the Mahari tournaments. And Minister in Man Ki Baat address, people to pledge to buy goods produced in the country, saying such purchases support artisans and entrepreneurs. He also reminded citizens about the ongoing but line that every rupee spent in local is
पर्व पर हम खरीदारी भी खूब करते हैं और इस बार तो जीएसटी बचत उत्सव भी चल रहा है। साथियों, एक संकल्प लेकर आप अपने त्योहारों को और खास बना सकते हैं। अगर हम ले स्वदेशी चीजों से ही मनाएंगे, बढ़ जाए। वोकल फॉर लोकल मंत्र आदि के लिए जो देश में तैयार हुआ है,
Tura M. Sangma Secretary M. Conrad Sangma and juniors. He also objected to multiple births being given to within the same family, calling the in the people's interests. The government that sideline experience.
If the seniors are being destroyed, like money that all the juniors share, like Indo coming on board, one of the seniors member, short-term, imagine that one. If Australia cabinet, very funny on the part and wrong, but only they know why they are doing it. Maybe not for the public interest, not for the general, but I don't know.
Consultation on protection in July with Supreme Court advocates engaging with stakeholders. Yakau community members share areas like to strengthen the case before the NGT in New Delhi. They expect legal intervention to protect the river.
Step one usnya hui kalam man go ni tidai penbat ki wata wa uli kawi ka wa kalam ne langban ne yawan ki thluyung ki ve am tawir ya wa kadwi cenderung ki em banta ni ya ko
Negrim's Shillong is working under PP mode to reduce. Wata said while services are functional, massive screening and bring relief to hundreds of cancer patients. infrastructure and staff are
along with preventive measures. We have a fully we already have a few facilities of, and now the wards and commission have to be ready, and very soon we will be calculated for surgical oncology ready and handed over.
distributed work orders for the 2025 MLA scheme for 30 Jawai constituency that under SRWP disabilities. The orders Shilla assured balanced development.
The new program dengan scheme gue sama itu dan ada distributor yang ke nem arjar arpau ki wa chiki chnom lane ki educational institution ki senra ki ni sami
to upgrade Senduli. The 2025-26 project covers quarters. Locals for the long-awaited for rural residents. Officials Edron School Nongstein celebrates 30th anniversary. Chief guest released a souvenir and from books, but from commitment and determination. Cultural programs and alumni participation to continue its mission of
bangsa Indo berikan saya betul. Nasun kebahe mereka kita nak mission. Kajian ini kajian so itu karena kita
College hosted Sparkling Future 2020. Students were encouraged coming Ideathon in October. And innovation. Felt motivated to explore business ideas.
This event, it is called a platform that gives to come forward and young fresh minds like you always ideas some might even sound crazy at first. What might seem small tomorrow, you never know.
Contractors and suppliers in Nong Contractor and Supplier Association Association officially formed on 24 aims to improve coordination and welfare of contractors. Members said address grievances with authorities. The association also seeks to promote transparency and fair practices.
Wan wara ya gaji ya wan aikam ya ki local contractor ya wan aikam ya ki local contractor mene trelang baro ki department po jong yo bakot lane ka kampun roy po contractor ni sem sibun ki duna ki bangi ani sekemat bani ka
Mahari Men's Chambugong Mahari Mahari 1-0 in the women's final. Said the tournament strengthened. First, let's take a look at the weather report. Minimum temperature recorded stood at 40 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature at 32 degrees Celsius. 87%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature at 26 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, in Jowai, minimum temperature at 19 degrees Celsius and degrees Celsius, the relative humidity and the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Jowai says moderate rain and thunder shower likely to occur at most places. Before we wind up, here's a look at the main points once again. PM Modi urges people to celebrate festivals with Swadeshi products, says vocal for local must be the mantra to support artisans and entrepreneurs. Tura MP Saleng Sangma criticizes cabinet reshuffle, questions dropping of senior MLAs and giving birth to members of the same family. Supreme Court advocates visit Jowai, meets community members and inspect sites to strengthen the NGT case on protecting river Muntadu. And Chambugong Mahari win men's title. Mangsang Mahari lift women's crown as inter-Mahari football tournaments complete in Tura.